who have taken admission into the engineering, a famous professional field, application oriented. If I ask you any, for example, you learned so many things from nursery to intermediate level. If I ask you, give me some application of the mathematics, very few able to tell me what are the application of the mathematics. But in engineering, all the applied mathematics we are learning. We are learning all the applied mathematics. So first we should know what is this engineering. We have taken admission in the engineering. If anybody asks you what is engineering stands for, what is this engineering? So you should have the grasp of everything. Remember one thing, sir. When you will be called as a perfect person, perfect means in all level you are having the good knowledge, you are having the perfect knowledge means you should know each and everything. Yes, no? You should know everything. We are having so many instances. So many instances. Some people go through the completely the topics. If we ask something regarding the title explanation, they are unable to tell. So what is the use of those things? What is the use? So that's why you should know. What is the BE stands for? What is the BTech stands for? What is the difference between the BE and BTech? And this is also a wonderful question for a mathematician. For example, if you are going to an interview, one person possesses holding the BTech degree, one is having the BE degree. How the interviewer will do the justification? Why? Because almost syllabus, if you see the different syllabus they are having their own pattern of examination. So how to give the preference? So that is also a big question. So that's why, sir, quality is very, very important. Just I am quoting. Why? Because by using the sampling theory, we can give the justification for that one also. How both are equal, in what way both are equal. That is a different debate. That is a different argument. But remember one thing, you should know the terms. Why? Because you have taken admission into the engineering. So what is engineering? This is taken from the Latin words. The word is ingenium. Ingenium, that is cleverness. That is stands for the meaning of that one is cleverness. Latin word, cleverness. So the engineers are considered to be the clever person, the smart person in the society. Yes? Why? Because they are doing something for the society. Necessity is the mother of invention, na? Everyone know how this AC is everything come into picture. If you have some difficulty, you are not satisfied with the fans, ceiling fans, table fans, then you are going forward. You are having the next thing. So necessity is the mother of invention. So here, the cleverness, the one word is ingenium, that is nothing but the cleverness. And another word is engineer. What is the mean of engineer? To contrive or the devise. To devise something that belongs to any field. To devising something, that is called as the engineering. Construction, building machines, yes, building up processes, all this engineering, nothing but building structures, everything is engineering. So what is the suitable thing is, engineer is nothing but to contrive and to devise something, that is called as the engineering. And what is engineering actually? The exact thing is, engineering is nothing but, it is the application of the science. For what? To the optimum conversion of the resources of the nature, and which are useful for the mankind. Which is used for the human life, that is called as the engineering. It should be there, yes, no? So that is called as the engineering. So what is engineering? It is the application of the science which converts the natural resources in such a way that are useful for the human life. So that is called as the engineering. Yes. Similarly, we are having in detail, we can say that what is engineering is, it is nothing but the designing, testing, building of machines, structures, processes. And again, you see the word, I wantedly wrote this word using maths and science. maths and science. Sir, remember one thing. I am not exaggerating. I am not hyperbolic in my words. Remember one thing, sir. Mathematics play vital role in engineering. Vital role. I will come to that point. I will give the proof. I will give the proof as a mathematician. Whenever we are having any statement means you will not accept now. If I cut one statement, if I tell you one statement, you will not accept. So I have to give some proof. Yes, I will give this. I will come back to this statement. Yes, now process using the knowledge of the maths and the science. Yes, so that is called as the engineering. So what we come to know regarding the mathematics, now you are getting the in-depth knowledge regarding the word mathematics and the engineering. I hope if anybody asks you, yes, if anybody asks you, your relative or your younger sister, younger brother, bhaiya or